Yo guys, it's Foodbook G again, and in this video I will give a tutorial like how to do the outward K snare. So basically what you do to have the K snare is putting your tongue on the top of your mouth like this. You breathe out and then you try to say the K like this. Then you try to do it with less air like this. And with almost no air you got. It takes maybe longer than a minute, if you know what I mean, but with the right practice you can get it. So let's practice this a little bit. I count to 3 and you try to do the K snare like this. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, basically that's it. Try to practice this as much as possible because this is a really helpful sound when you try to make music. Yo guys, I really hope you liked the video. Next video will be again a beatbox tutorial video, so I'm looking forward to it. I hope you're doing too. See you and thank you for watching.